Franklin Exchange. And they still have the "this car up" signs.
We'll go up to 22.
You got dual panels.
Yep. And you have an original Westy interlock there.
Oh yeah, right up there. Alright.
Come on, you can close.
Well, I guess it's closing. Here we are at 22.
Alright, listen to the bell when I push one. Oh, it doesn't work up here.
No.
Well, we can get off on one of the parking floors. I know the bells work on the parking floors.
Yeah, we can do that.
These are pretty nice.
Yeah.
There's James.
There's Julian.
You know what, we can go, I guess, to 3.
Yeah, we could do that.
Echo fixtures. That's where the old indicator used to be.
Yeah, up at the top.
Alright, we're gonna send, I guess we'll send this one to 21.
Oh, it's locked.
Oh. I want
Yeah, there it is. So yeah, 21 was actually locked.
Interesting. Well, there it goes.
You want to write our
There's
one?
the door protectors at the bottom, very common in a lot of 50s and 60s high rises. Oh, and they replaced the bell on that one.
So some of these they've replaced with that one.
You know what?
That one had like a really quiet bell.
Private service. Oh,
Oh, that one they just...
Thing.
Oh wait, that one, it's just a cover. It's like the bell itself is still there. It's like, but the cover is missing. You can see.
Well, no bell, but it works.
Yeah, you can like see the bell in there actually.
I know the bell works at the top. At least it's the last time it was
Yeah.
It's 22.
Okay.
And you can tell there used to be another panel there.
Yeah, definitely.
Well,
Here we're at 22.
oh, so sorry, sir. Alright, it's time to leave.
Wait, what happened?
Guy just stared in the elevator and gave me a really weird, kind of pissy look.
Yeah. I think that something similar happened to me last time, but the guy just said hi to me. He didn't really like stare at me. Because there is a desk up on 22.
Yeah. And we're here.
Yeah. And there it goes. And that'll be it.